What's up, everyone? Today, we're checking out the Hanroad Switch, a French-made van designed to be your all-in-one vehicle. Built on a compact Renault Trafic 5.08 meters, the Switch is marketed as a plural car, a family ride for the week, and an adventure van for the weekend. One of the biggest highlights here is the modularity. Instead of fixed benches, the floor uses rails that can fit up to 7 individual sliding seats, making it easy to switch between hauling the whole family or clearing space for gear like bikes or surfboards. It even features dual sliding side doors, which is a first for Hanroad. When it's time to camp, the pop-up roof comes standard, offering a 2-person bed 140 by 195 centimeters. For the kitchen, you get a side cabinet with a fixed cartridge stove that slides out for outdoor cooking. If you need more, you can add packs for a 27-liter fridge, a lower bed, or even a removable sink module. On the tech side, it feels very much like a modern car with a rear-view camera, lane departure warnings, and a multimedia system supporting Android Auto and CarPlay. Under the hood, the base model starts at €46,900 with a 130 horsepower diesel engine and manual gearbox, though you can upgrade to a 150 horsepower automatic version. It's a solid, budget-friendly alternative to premium SUVs or larger campers for those who only want one vehicle in the driveway.